Hi, dear learners, I hope you are well and stay home. If the situation isn't improved, we have to stay home. Till then, it is our duty to continue our study. So that's why I will discuss with you about the right form of verbs part 2. Okay, so let's start. Dear learners, follow the examples attentively. If you call me, I dash. Suppose here we use verb go. So which form will we use here? Go, this is present form. Went, this is past form. Gone, this is past participle form. Going, this is ing form. Goes, this is also present form with s. So which form will we use here? Can you guess? Okay, we use here go, but right form I will go. Follow the next example. If I study well, I dash the examination. Suppose here we use the verb pass. Which form will we use here? Pass, past, or etc. Can you guess? Okay. Here we also use I will pass. Dear learners, follow these two examples attentively. And according to these two, third one is for you. Okay? So third one is for only you. Try. Third one is if they play well. They dash the game. Suppose here we use the verb win. Which form will we use here? Third one is for you and do it. Have you done? Okay. Many of you have done correctly. Here we use will win. They will win the game. If they play well, they will win the game. Okay, dear learners. Now, what is our focus point here? Follow if plus call. This is present. Here if study. This is also present. Here if play. This is present. So our focusing point is if present. And we will see that if plus present, then we use will plus present. Will plus present form. So that's why note number 1. After if plus present, we will use will plus present form. Okay, clear, dear learners? After if plus present, then we will plus present form. Clear? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, dear learners, let's follow the examples. If you called me, I dash. Suppose here we use verb go. So which form will we use here? Can you guess? Go is present form. Go, goes, went, gone, going, etc. So can you guess which form will we use here? Okay, we will use here I would go. Follow the next example. If I studied well, I dash the examination. Okay, dear learners, suppose here we use the verb pass. Can you guess which form will you use here? Try to guess. Past, this is present form. Past, this is past form. Past participle form also past, passing, etc. Which form will you use here? Okay, we will use here I would pass. Dear learners, follow these two examples attentively, and according to these two, third one is for you. Okay, so let's try. If they played well, they dash the game. Suppose here we use the verb win. So try to guess which form will we use here. This is for you, and do it. these first two examples and then try to do the third one. Have you done? Okay. That's very interesting. Maximum of you have done correctly. Here we use they would win the game. Okay. Dear learners, try to understand what is our focus point here. If call, this is past. Second one, if studies, this is also past. If played, this is also past. So follow if plus past, then we will use would plus go. This is present. Would pass, this is also present. Would win, this is also present. So, do you understand what is the focus point here? Okay, now, note number 2. After if plus past, we will use would plus present form. Okay. After if plus past, we will use would plus present form. Okay, dear learners, recall what have we discussed today. Try to recall or try to remember. Can you mention the first one? Okay, Nupur has said that if plus present, then we will use will plus present form. Thank you very much. Anyone mention another point? Okay. Mollika has said correctly. Our second one was if plus past, then we will use would plus present form. Thank you very much. That's all today. Dear learners, positive attitude is the passport of a man. মানুষের ইতিবাচক দৃষ্টিভঙ্গি হলো তার আসল পরিচয়. So mind it. That's all today. See you again.